we're doing another documentary on spine, the technique, the movement, and every single thing you must do to be a good spine. For instance, here is a good spine technique. The tippy toe. Get a shot on this. This is an old-fashioned thing. It's called tippy toeing. You know, you got that good spine technique. Here's another one. Staying low, like that. Get it close up here. Okay. Here's another one. If someone gets you in trouble, this is fancy looking. That's how spies do it, you know. If someone sees you, call by the bush and you go. And you hit the deck, okay? Okay. Now them are basic lessons. Now let's get down to some real spine. Okay, I don't know if you can see this that well. We got behind us, way down there, we got a few people. Let's go around the back. Follow me, please. Yes, our cameraman will be using his great spine techniques. There's our cameraman, please. Okay, we'll be back after this. People, hello, I'm your bush analyzer. And this bush is in rather good condition. It's in good condition. And I'd like you to all keep your bushes as good as this. Thank you. We're going to go to the woods, get out of the woods, and do some spine. Goodbye. We're running now, as you can see. We're running up this hill. My spine techniques, I'm just getting good at this, so let's do one spine technique, the staying low. Get down, camera. Okay. Okay. I'm going to go do the pitching technique. Bye. Oh, hi. Hiya. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get back to going up. Oh, that was noisy. Oh, the close-up. That's a very tough stay over, right? I don't know if we're in visual view of them. And I don't know if they can see us yet. Remember, good spine. Yeah. Get a shot of this. We got some major weed problems here. Okay, do this ridge here. I gotta cross it. Them over there see me. Okay, here it goes. Hold on. Damn it, I'm getting to it. There's a swing set down there. Swinging an endless swing. Not of time. But yes, it is of time. What happened to our victims of spine camp? Ah, I'm going down here. Look at this cliff. Get a shot of that. It's a big cliff here. Okay, here it goes. Okay, I'm making it. I'm looking right at you. They notice us. I don't think we're shielded very well. We're gonna go spy somewhere else. Bye. The tree. The best disguise for a spy. Yes, that's right. You take a little branch of, we'll use this tree right here, like so. And you stick it like in your pocket. Perfect camouflage. No. There, now I'm covered now. I will now penetrate with this. No. See, you cannot see me. See, I'm just, this tree here is blocking you of noticing me. Follow. Come on, here's one for you, cameraman. Follow me. Keep it in front, camera. We'll be back. You do not know where I am. I am in the human camouflage, right here in these flowers. See, that was me back there. We got a stupid walker, and I want to walk over here. We got these here out of the car. Get yours in. Get yours on front. Okay, good. Yes, we are now walking. Stay that in front, cameraman. Good. We're now walking. She cannot see us. We are in the camouflage. We are in the camouflage. She cannot tell who we are. No one can see us. We are camouflaged right now.
Hi. Are you shooting the camera?
Yeah. Yeah, we are in camouflage. She does not see us. We are in camouflage, as you can see.
No, you don't have it.
We do. Yeah. We are in camouflage. You cannot see us. Okay. Here's the camouflage. What's that? Oh, one of our other camouflage machines. Oh, hi. Just I learned the muscular man here. I'm doing 5. I am okay. Thank you. As you can now see, we are filming. We are filming so good you can... In this house, this brown house, someone is committing a crime. A battery crime. Come on. They're now going to spy. So we'll take the time to go up against that wall and listen. Okay, well, nothing. Follow me. Hold on. Okay. Check your shoes, Nathan. Make sure they're okay. Get the cameraman shoes. Okay. Well, now go through this secret spot here. Come on, let's go. And we're going to go to the opposite side of the people we're going to spy on. We'll be back. Time for the ninja punch. Oh. Okay, we got to be as silent as possible and not... Hey, we're on. As you can see, we have hit the jackpot here. Children's Room. Little girl across the good shot. Here. Can you see her, cameraman? Shake your head up. No? Okay. Just a minor electrical shock. We got a major explosion happening here. And up close. Oh God. I think we should be going now, cameraman. Let's go! Oh, the dang! Are we taping it? Oh, yeah. Don't worry. It ain't gonna happen to me this